Hey guys, welcome back to Connect Sis, where we promote faith in God, helping women of color find their brand identities, personal development, content creation, motivation, sis. Everything is in Connect Sis. Today's video, we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to create your personalized subscribe button. So if you would like to see how to achieve that, let's get right into my laptop. So now that we are in Canva, all you're going to do is change the background to a green screen or just a green color like this one. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's green. Then you have to go into elements and type in buttons. Once you've arrived in the button section, you will be selecting the button that best suits you or the ones that you prefer, and then you could insert the colors that you want, or if you have a specific branding color, you could include that. So mine is like lilac, purple, green, olive green and white, so that kind of color scheme. And now I'm just typing subscribe. I was gonna type She Plans Sis. I'm so used to typing it, but yeah. So I'm just gonna recite some stuff and then change that font color into white so that it meshes better with the button. And I'm gonna put it in italic as well because I love it that way. After that, I'm gonna add some effects so that it could pop more. And yeah, that's all I do for the text. Then what I'm gonna do is I am going to click on the screen and click animate, and then you have the free animations and the pro animations. The free animations are still cool if you're just wanting to start something off. That is also cool. But if you want to level it up, you can definitely try the 30-day free trial for your pro version. And yeah, honestly, it's super beneficial. Both of them are great. Next, I'm gonna show you guys how I create another type of subscribe button. I like this one. This one is more simple, less business going on with the font. I'm going to choose this color for this subscribe button. As you can see, the subscribe is not centered. I was just wanting to do this video for you guys, but the subscribe button is not centered. That's okay. And yeah, we're just gonna repeat the same steps. I think I showed you guys one more subscribe button and this one is more so for like it's not necessarily a button. I didn't do a button for this one. I just type some text with the glow effect and basically turn that color white, as you guys can see. Boom, white. And then we're just gonna add the animation, and I use the neon animation. Then you're gonna hit download. Make sure you download it as an MP4 video. And yeah, so now we're gonna go into my phone because that's where I edit. So now we are in my phone editor. So if you guys want to know what I use to edit my videos, I use Flow, and it's definitely my holy grail. I pay for it, but it's so worth it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in PIP, picture in picture, and you're gonna click videos, and then you're gonna select the video. Then you're gonna click chroma key, and then you're just gonna move the loop or the color picker thing on the side, and it's just gonna take off the background. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna adjust the hue, the saturation, and the brightness, but you want to make sure you're not adjusting it too harshly because it can create holes or distortion within the video itself. Always surround yourself with people that meet So I'm just gonna zoom in closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You guys can see that once you adjust it, you know, creates a little bit of distortion, but that's okay. It's okay. To me, it's okay. I don't really mind that. It's just minor details. So here's another subscribe button that I did, and I'm just showing you guys the same process, just repeating it, so you know, muscle memory for the brain. I'm just showing you a close-up of what it does when you you know, play with the settings, so that it doesn't show that much of the green background. It works better on some, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more tutorials like this, do consider giving me a subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and like this video.